Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max settings in just a few easy steps. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just want a fresh start, I've got you covered. First, let's dive into the Settings app. You'll see a bunch of options, but we want to scroll down and tap on General. Next, you'll see another list. Scroll all the way down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Got it? Great! Now tap on Reset. Here, you'll be presented with several options. If you just want to reset certain settings like network settings or keyboard dictionary, you can choose those specific options. But if you're looking to do a full reset, this is where you need to be careful. If you select Erase all content and settings, all your data will be wiped clean. That means photos, apps, messages, everything. So make sure you have a backup if you're going this route. You can back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. Once you've decided which reset option works best for you, just follow the on-screen prompts, and your iPhone will take care of the rest. It might take a few minutes, but soon you'll have a fresh start. And there you have it. Resetting your iPhone 15 Pro Max isn't that hard, right? If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.